Hello guys, in today's video we have the Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus, which is locked. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you guys can remove any type of password or pattern from your Infinix Hot 60 Pro Plus in case you guys have forgot it. For that, first you guys have to power off your phone. Then press and hold the power and volume up keys simultaneously. Now when the Infinix logo appears, release the power key but keep holding on to the volume up key until the recovery menu comes up. Then inside the recovery menu, use volume keys to move the option and use power key to select an option. Select wipe data, then factory data reset with the power key, and this will completely erase all the data from your phone. You guys have to remember that this will completely format all the data from your phone. After that, select reboot system now. After the reboot, your phone will take some time to load up, so you guys have to wait for it. Then when the phone finally turns on, tap on the arrow, select your language, move forward, set up your phone, and after completing this setup, you guys will be able to use your phone again. And the pattern or password that was set up previously now has been removed. Thanks for watching.